Breathe me And welcome everyone. Welcome to this stream. Thanks Dubai for all the gift subs and thanks for all the new followers. Just tell me quick if the music is too loud. I'm gonna lower it a bit. Okay. So today we're gonna work a bit on the item system and the inventory. I did work a lot on it before the stream. So I mainly got the UI part working. We still need to do a bit of logic and some network stuff. So let's go. I'm gonna show you what I already did. Oh, I forgot to enable my camera. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna zoom it a bit for you guys. So right now I'm working on the PC UI. The mobile version for the UI is gonna coming soon. Thank you for the follow, Chubby Ace. So this is the inventory page you already know. So the new thing is the statue page, I mean. So now the new thing is the UI inventory. It's already rocket and stuff like the grid. You can drag and drop. Right now we have no filter, so you can put everything in every slot. But we have the base working, so we need to do many things today. The first is to change the background when you have an item. We need to implement item tips, so we can filter for each slot. We need to finish the drag and drop. And we need to replicate it on the network. I tried to boot on my main scene, but I got some error, so I'm gonna have to fix this first. So I'm gonna move zoom. Okay. So the question is, why did I fail? I just saw this before starting the stream. 994. 94. Okay, I think we are missing the display info. So let's see. Start unit. I'm gonna log just the model ID. He broke everything before the stream. Yes, I did break everything. Let's see. Okay, model ID 1, good. Okay, so what are my model IDs? 0. Okay, so two choice. First one could be update fields. Did they change something? Okay. Yeah, okay, I did change update fields, so this is why. So this is easy fix. Just need to copy paste like a pro. You need some tighties. Fields. Okay. Should work with this. How are you, ArtCPP? I'm fucking tired. I just started to play Beat Saber 2 days ago, and I did a 4-hour session today, so I'm really exhausted. But I want to still continue to work on this project. Okay, still 0. What else am I missing? I'm gonna copy paste the whole file. Gonna be easier. Ah, love PristontaleEU. We all love. This is why we are here. Okay, let's close the server. I think I know what did I... It failed too. Okay. Maybe it's this code. Let's recompile. Okay, this part is good. Let's try again. Okay, still 0. It really broke everything. What else did I change? Maybe it's in the network object. Same as here. Okay. Let's check. Line. Okay, everything should be good. I'm from Brazil. Yeah, we have a lot of players coming from Brazil. I think this is the main part of the current server population. Yeah, Brazil. I will be back. I'm at Ragnar's boss. War Classic, be right back. Good ride, Dubai. Okay, so. I have a last ID for my bug. So you can see it's in object replication. Yeah, I'm gonna revert this. I have change in unit. Let's retest like this. I did a lot of change without testing, so this is my bad. Okay. Let's test again. Yeah, connecting. Okay, this is fixed. So what is already working on the game is we have all the world map working, we have the minimap, everything is movable, the UI. We have random movement for monster, we have pathfinding working, and we have a basic of the combat system. I'm gonna show you. So, creature can aggro me, they're gonna fight me, and I can fight back. This is some test effects right here. But we have the basic of the combat system. I still need to change a bit this collision for this model. I need to find a way to make the monster to spread the revenue. But I think we have 90% of the combat system. I'm gonna cast a troll skill just to kill everyone, so we can see. Ah, this is doing only one as damage. I need to change it. Okay, let's go to the spell system. Like damage, okay. I'm gonna change it. Just for you guys to see it. Okay. What is this music? Okay, so I'm gonna get big so we can see all the map. Okay. Let's test again. Yeah, I have to change this. Right now the spell is cast from the feet of the player. So the monster can die and they're gonna start to random respawn. So this is where we are in the current state of the game development. I'm gonna go back to a normal size. I still have to do some graphic improvement, but it's time consuming, so I prefer to focus more on the game features than the graphics for now. But I still have some ideas to improve the look of the current game. So this is the start of Recaptain. We have basics NPCs with their animation. I need to make him to move. Maybe I can make him move. Hold on. Creature, set, spawn, radius, let's say 10. Okay, so he should start to move. Music is a bit too loud. Okay, I'm gonna change it. Okay, should be better now. Okay, I think he won't move until I restart the server. Have you a day to launch it? I'm planning a first alpha in less than 2 months. I need to do all the 4 skill for the first skill share of all classes. And then we can start to release a test client with only the first zone. But yeah, it's gonna coming in less than 2 months. Okay, so the thing we want to focus on it today is inventory. So right now this item is spawned from my client, but I need to implement the item in the database. And I still have some conflict between drag and drop and the movement of the camera. Easy shots, Ragnaros, back. Nice. I did show you what you missed on previous stream, Jabais. Gonna show you quick again. Yeah, he gave a lot of subs. So, as I said, we have a Garden of Freedom with all the monsters. Thing is rocking. They can kill me. And I'm dead. Yeah, you're gonna kill me again. Other thing we did, if we go too far, the monster is gonna reset. So you can see the pathfinding. Okay. Okay, so pathfinding is still working, good. Oh, small glitch. We have basic of combat. And we have a fucking spell to test. Okay, so we want to start working on items. So first I need to implement a quick database table for this. Let's go new table, item template. So we want this to be UTF-8 general. Okay. So we need an ID. We need the name. We need a weight for the item. We need a size, because items can take many slots. This should be a float. This a string, and this an int. Okay, auto increment, okay, not null, not null, not null, not null. Sign. We want 1 as default size. Wait, no size. Okay, good. I'm gonna add a texture path here. Okay, good. By the way, I want to show you something. I did work on the assets for items. So as you know, PristontaleEU is a bit old and in a low res. So I managed to find something using deep learning to upscale and redo the textures. It's called Waifu3x, and we have some good result. Where is it? Items. Okay, here. Explorer. Good defense. Okay, so I did manage to get some. I won't call this HD, but better texture. So we are gonna use this. It was great on almost all items, like weapons. I mean, for a mobile version, it's gonna be good enough. It will avoid us to redraw everything. We got some not good result on small items like Sheltom and one slot items, because this is too small at start. But we're gonna see if we find a way to improve this. So let's add the first item in DB. So this is 3 by 3. Should be 3 by 4, no? Yeah, 3 by 4. Should be 3 by 4. So let's grab the path for this texture. Resources, item, defense, and this is a 315. Raise it. This one. We're gonna start with this. Okay, let's add it to the database. Okay, so this is 4 for 8 and 3 for width. We're gonna add a weight of 1. So this is test, armor, ID1. Okay, good. So now I need to load this information in my server. Okay, database, GDB. Let's go. So, item template. So the graphic on PC will get updated like this as well. Yes. The client I'm making is gonna be the new PC and mobile client. and it's gonna be crossplay. Item template. Okay, I'm gonna comment stream. So what do we have? We have a size X. Shit. Size Y. We have an ID, we have a name. Here should be the weight. Oops. Caps lock. Okay, everything's good, and we need the texture. Okay. Show the fighter equipped, please. Can show you if you want. Fighter, no, I don't have everything for fighter. We can go Atlanta, I guess. Okay, so we want this for boots. I have to manually do it for now. Okay, so we say Archer, no, Atlanta. So Atlanta, and this is the boots. I'm gonna show you a skin model. Okay, we have the boot, now we need the chest. Which one are we going for? Okay, let's go this one for the body. Base body. Okay. Oh. Should I go Atlanta? Let me check. Atlanta is motion 2, no. Fighter, no. Epic Knight or Mechanician? Knight, do I have parts for no? Mechanician, no. Yeah, I'm gonna show you just in Unity. Okay, so we have the boots. We want a head. We want a body. And we want arms. Oh, this is the wrong one, but you will get the ID. So for each model, we have everything split in 3 parts, sometimes 4 or 5. But we are gonna focus on 3 parts. So right now in the old client, when you equip an armor, it's gonna change everything. But now we have the possibility to change it, to change a bit the behavior, and to have like arms or shoulders or gloves, boots, different each other. We're gonna try a system like this, I think. But we want to stay classic for now. Okay. Just for knowing how many people is coming from Brazil in the chat. Just do +1. Okay, so let's go back to items. So we have a database model. So we want to load them. I'm gonna do it dirty for now. Public, static, concurrent, dictionary. So this is going to be the ID. Human database, GDB, team template, retain templates, equals new. Okay. All item templates by ID. So we want to load them. Load items. Item templates. Role model, no. We want to. Oh no, I don't need to do it here. I already did a system for this. By the way, GDB stands for Game Database. GDB. Here. Item template. Oh, shit. Item templates. Oh, we have a poll. Nice. I can't swear. Shit. Okay, so we need to load it. Okay, so now it's loaded on server side. Now we want this to get built for the client. VM server GDB item templates. Okay. Let's compile everything. Yeah, I did need to run it. GDB builder. Okay. Okay, good. How to vote? Nationality. Let's vote for baguette. Okay, so now we should have items template in the client. Good, but with no data. Why? Did I miss something? Okay, GDBs are loaded here. Swap this, don't need this. This neither, no. Okay. We have a template here. And it should be loaded. Or maybe I forgot to save in my database editor. Okay, it's good. Let's try again. Okay, we have something now. Maybe I forgot to do a full build. Okay, let's check in the client now. Wake up, Unity. Okay, we have this now. This part is working. Now we need to work on item network object. Does anyone know release date, William? It's gonna be... We're gonna have a first alpha in less than 2 months. Actually, I'm making good progress, so I can give a precise date, but alpha for sure soon. Okay. So we have item network object. Okay, good. Go back a bit in the client. Let's see how I'm replicating the object. The player private. Okay. I need We have items here. Okay, so let's see, where did I put objective? At the end. Item. Now we want item class. Item, okay. Then IT or actor. I have to find a good nomenclature for this. So we need an entry. It's item fields. I don't have them. Grab the update fields for items. Okay, good. Ah, thanks Unity. What is this? Ah yeah, my texture atlas builder. Sims cannot enter again, only one time entry. Yes, this is a one-time entry. I was supposed to do the to sort the winners at end of the month, but I forgot, so I'm gonna do it this week. Okay. Let's back to business. So we should have items filled now. Okay, good. Entry. Okay, so we need a constructor. This is creation data. So this is a network related code. This is for replication between the server and the client. So creation data. So this is an item objective with a tip mask of item. Oh, I need to create it, and we have only one fields for now. So item fields and good. Now I want to add an item tip mask. 64. Do the poll again, I went wrong. Yeah, welcome to all the new viewers. I hope the stream is enjoyable. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the chat. I can show you the current state of the game too. Thanks Toman for the follow. I don't know this language. Oh, we are 14 viewers. Thanks you. Okay, let's continue. Thanks Gamer AE for the follow. So we have our item object with an entry, which is gonna reference item template, so we need to create it now. One manager. Oh, this is test code, entity manager. Okay, so let's copy paste as usual. So if we are creating an item, we want to set up an item, and we don't need this. Best pasta. What you guys are you talking about? Okay, so items should be replicated on the network now. So we need to do a bit of logic now for inventory. So first we're gonna do a method to get an item at a specific slot. So public object GUID get item. I'm gonna do this. Get inventory item. So we need a page number because the player have right now two pages of items. We can go bigger if needed. We need a slot position, slot X and slot Y. Okay, good. So we need to guess start offset. Who is Grimsource? It's a friend of me. We are used to play a lot of MMORPG together. But I'm exploiting him as a free moderator. He hates me, but it's fine. So, player, privates, fields. Oh, let's do 0 first. Switch. Page number. We need to grab items slot count too. Oh, this is a static thing. Thanks Pixula Mortal for the following. Hey, it's not like I carry him on every gameplay, but not really. He's better than me at PvP in some MMO, but I'm better at PvE. So if we want the page 0, start offset is gonna be player, private fields, inventory slot A start. Okay, good. We want to cast what he doesn't like. Okay, we're gonna see after. Start offset, and we need an end offset. So we want to find the end of first page. And we want to break. We want to do the same here, but for page B. Brazil, Chile, Yotutun, hello Jerome. How it's going? So in other case, we want to return because we don't have a valid inventory page. We're gonna do a log. Common logs hero log. That's gonna be entities player private get inventory item invalid page number. Okay, good. Let's check again in game. Oh, too much zoom. Oh, I'm dead. Never mind. Boom, so first page again, and we have quest. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 by 6. 4. Okay. Else, inventory inventory weights equals 12, and we want the 8, and it's 6. Okay, good. Why are Brazilian here? To learn new mods? Oh. And learn Twitch to my daughter. I think it will be fine for her, G1. Okay, so now we need to iterate over all items to find the right one. S inventory width plus X. Y equals 0, Y less than 8 plus Y. Okay, good. So we have the start position. Look. Oh, I did this in the client. Inventory grid. Can place item at. Okay. Okay, so this code in the client is already actually checking if we are in the middle of a slot. But we don't need this. So we need to compute an offset. Item offset is equal to start offset plus X this slot X multiplied by width. No. Slot Y by the 8 plus slot X. Okay. So we want to check that everything is fine. So if it's less than 0 or superior than width. Same for slot Y. Yes, inventory 8 or item offset is greater than end offset. Want to return an empty GID. Else we want to return to the GID, get filled GID, item offset. Okay. Hi RTPP, you are too sexy with your developing skill. Chaos asking me to say this. What the fuck? Chaos, are you paying people to watch the stream or what? What? Don't play the innocent. Well. So that's a bit of documentation. Try to get item GID in specific inventory page by X and Y. So inventory page index from 0, X position, Y position, and we are returning object GID or empty. Good. Something seems to be happening behind the sign. Maybe. Oh, I'm glitching the ground. Clear that revive. Don't kill me, small OP. You won't get me this time. No, he did leave me. Good. Let's go to a safe place. Okay. So we have a method to get an inventory item. We want to add a method to create a new item. My daughter lost with your really French accent. You are the best. Nice code, thank you. Is my accent so bad? So we want a method create item, aka give item. So we need item ID. Okay, good. So I'm gonna copy a method, can place item at, because we have to do something smart on server side. Get item at. I should have done this maybe. You are buy new version of Priston. I'm gonna answer no. Yeah, I'm gonna do this instead. We have a start and a end. Okay, good. But first, we're gonna change the music. Okay, let's go back. CBP tutorial. Okay. So we want to change a bit the behavior here. We want to iterate the all offsets. So we need a start in the end, and we need to increase iterator. Okay, good. So current item GUID is equals to get field GUID. Good. We need to implement something special in items now. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it the dirty way. Anyway, I need to store all the item instance here. Private, list. No. I need to use system collection generic. Okay. So we need a list of items. I'm gonna do a dictionary. Dictionary of object GUID items. Okay, good. Well, I'm going to get destroyed environment BRB. Be right back. Good luck, Gwim. So we need to grab item instance. Try get value. Out far item. Okay, so now we can get the item ID. So template is equals to GDB item template item entry. And we need to do this. Slot X. Okay, here. Slot Y. And we want to return there, let's see. Item instance or mule. Okay. Item instance slot X. I'm gonna determine good question. I have an idea. Need to compute relative offset is equals to and offset minus current iterator. Then we can do item slot X is equals to relative offset divided by inventory width. No, this is for the Y. Okay. And for the X, we need to do plot Y, apply this minus this. And this is in division. Okay, good. Dot X, dot Y. We need to use the size in the template. Okay. Need to do a small change here. Okay, good. Okay, so now we can find an item by its position. So. We need a page here. Okay. Okay, good. Was drinking, sorry. So for the create item method, first we need to grab the template. So GDB items template, try get value, And we want to store the result. Return false. And here we want to return true. Okay. So we have the template. Now we need to find a slot. A free slot for it, I mean. I'm gonna move this here. We need another constant. Inventory page count equals to 2. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, so now we need to check if we can place the item. So we have a page number. We have a X. Oops. And a Y. So, what do we miss? We need the size. That's X. That's Y. You don't have a config file with all your constants? Sorry, all manager question. No, I don't have a big file with all the constants because I did work with a system like this in World of Warcraft emulation, and you quickly end to a system with a file with 10,000 lines of defines. I won't have a lot of defines, so it's fine to have it in the right file. And we're gonna have only constant for entities, so I guess it's fine. But maybe I will have to change it. So we need to do minus this, minus this Y size, plus 1 or minus 1? Minus 1. Okay. Same here. So we want to store the result, so we need to get these variables out. Okay. We need something to do a quick exit. So we need to do found equals true, and we want to break. I'm gonna change a bit the behavior. Continue. Better like this. And we want to exit all of all ops. Okay, good. So if it's not found, we want to return false. And in the other case, we can start to create the item. First with static, I'm not a C# pro, but you know this, that's why I ask. I can try to regroup them. Still didn't think of a good system for this for now. We'll have to see. Okay. So now we need to have a way to store. We have item template in database, but we want to store the item instances. So let's create a new table. item. So we're gonna go full basic for now. We just want an ID. So we want a character ID here, we need an ID for the item, and we need an entry. Oops. Okay. Now I can start to create a table in the character database. It could be a DB table, it could be, but I will get a performance drawback, and this is code that is gonna be called very often. Character ID entry. So here it's an int, it's a big int, 24, 24, 12. Oh, not new, unsigned, not new, unsigned, same. So primary key, auto increment, good. So we have everything. We want to add an index for character ID, just in case we want to grab all the items for a specific player. Then we need to add some consistency check. So if a character is deleted from the database, we want to delete the item, all the item instance that you have. Save. No, I don't want more table. So now we can create the item in database. So DB item is equals to common database item model item shit, and we need to give database instance shardb. Okay. Now we want to fill all the values.
God, I hope so. Me too.
Okay, so I need to get an instance to my player because I don't have the ID of the player. So public player owner player. So we want public get private set equals none. No player instance. Okay, we want this in the constructor. Owner. Players is equal to p owner. Instance of owning owner player. Good. So now we can grab player ID. True ID. And what do we want? We want the counter. Okay. We want to add an entry to the item. Here, item ID. Okay. What a great code structure, thank you. We need more things here, so we need to store the position of the item. Inventory page. Okay. Oh, sorry for white screen again. Not why. Okay. Int. Oops. Int. Int. Okay. So 12, 12, 12. But null unsigned. Okay, good. So we're gonna we will be able to test soon. I love PristontaleEU, thanks RTPP. Thank you to Biaz. Everton Riyadh. Sorry, I didn't see your question, but I don't see did answer you. Okay, so let's finish this part. DB item, inventory page equals page. Slot X, X. Slot Y equals Y. I need to cast it. Oh, not. I'm gonna change the type. We don't want negative numbers here. Everything should be good. We don't need to cast here anymore. Okay, so we have all this information. So now we need to try to insert it in database. So we can grab the auto increment value as the new item ID. So insert, return false.
There shall never be another dawn.
Inserted ID. Okay, so we need to check if equals to 0, return false. Okay, good. So now we can create the item instance. So we're gonna do an alias here. DB item equals command database channel item. So we need to give it to the constructor. Database item instance. Okay. We need to store it. Public DB item. Gonna call it data. Thanks, Free Ficon, for the follow. So we want a public get, private set, as always, equals null, database, data, okay, good. So data equals this. Now we can get back to this code. So we can create the item equals new item. So we need to build a GUID. So new object GUID. So it's a type of item. For the counter, we are gonna use the last auto increment value from database, and we need the DB item. Okay, good. We can return the item, but we can also add it to our set of items. Okay. I'm gonna change behavior here. New. Okay. So let's see if it's compiling. Yeah. Okay, so everything is compiling. So now we're gonna create a quick chat command for testing. We have a set revive. I'm gonna do it here. Player add item. The new item instance to the player. So first, we need to check that the item ID is existing. We don't need to get the actual result, we just need to see if it's existing. The item is not existing. So we need a player target. So we want to manage the case that we want to target another player. Okay, good. So now we need to add the item. So we want to do target, private, create item. Okay. So if the items is equal to null, we fail to create it. So we have many cases. First, the item ID is not existing, or we don't have enough space in the player inventory. Add item. Okay, good. Return. Failed. We want to do an error system maybe later. So item created at page. We have to reach the Play Store, but we're not sure if it will be accepted. We don't know. Item created. GRID. Do we have a toString method? No. We're gonna do row 0x and x16. Team created. Okay, everything is good. So we're gonna have to test everything here. Item creation, DB insertion, and slot finding. Okay, everything is still low. And I died again. I need to log out in the town to get my position to be actualized. Okay, so let's test. Player add items 1. And the item did get created? But we have nothing in database. Maybe we have an error. Okay, we have an error. Table items is not existing. Okay, I have a name problem in my table. Okay, save. So I did rename my database table. Okay, now it's working. So 004 is the GID type for items. And 1 is the ID in database. So let's see. So we did add a 3x4 item. So what if I add another one? Where is gonna be? Okay. So we have this problem. It doesn't find the correct slot. What do we miss? So my can plus item here is maybe failing. Okay, I'm gonna do breakpoints. Okay, let's see. And I forgot to log it safe. Never mind. Player add items. 1. Okay, so for the first one we are okay. And now we want to break. Okay. Let's do it. So we have a start and an end of set. Okay, I see a first error here. Oh, okay. I think I found. We need to take count of. So one field is 4 bytes, but GUID is 8 bytes. So we need to consider the stride. I will call it like this. Equals 2. Okay. Now this is good. And the thing we forgot to do here is to compute the slot offset. I'm not gonna do a constant. Let's go. So int fields offset is equal to page equals 0. We want to get players private fields slot A or slot B. Slot B start. Okay. We want to add the line. Yes, inventory weights plus X. Okay. Okay, I need to change this type. But we want to multiply this by 2. Now we can do a set field GUID. Field offset, and the new GUID is item GUID. I need to cast everything to int. Okay, this time it should be working. So I'm gonna empty the table. And we're gonna try again. I'm gonna remove my breakpoint. We already know about Chinese Priston Mobile, but for a lot of people agree this is not really Priston. This is like a custom game. Okay, let's test again. Add item 1 and item 2. And then we have a problem. X decimal. Okay, so we are at the first slot. Okay, so somehow is working. How do I participate in the draw? What do you mean by the draw? I know what I did miss. I forgot to assign entry. Entry is equals to data.entry. Okay, should be working better this time. Okay, let's go again. Clear, add item 1. Okay, and again, okay, so we have 2 items. Okay, nothing didn't change here. So I have to break again. Here, private. Okay, so we should have 2 items already, and we are creating a third one. So we should have a JD here. So 7. Okay, why not? Okay, so I did a fail here. So this is IT minus start of set. And we need to divide by 2. Yeah. Okay, good. Welcome back, Grim. So this part is okay. Oh, I'm so dumb. I did a special system for this already. So it's just gonna be this. And you want an int, okay. Or is it working? Multiply 2, okay. Okay, good. And then what we gonna do is L equals 0 im less than inventory weights multiply 8, so we have total slots. Okay, so now we can do Start offset with an offset of E. Okay, good. And now what we can do is this. Okay. Salty after playing with full Turkish team for the fucking 5th time in a row. So I guess you did lose. So we want to clean database again. Welcome back, agency, aka Chaos. Alors, player add item 1. Okay, good. Now we need to test second item. Okay, so we should have a... Okay, good. So we have a slot, a start and end. Okay, so now we have page 1, still page 1. Okay, let's break again. Page 1. Page 1? What is my loop? Ah. I know. Item did created? Okay. So I did fail my test. I need to remove this breakpoint. And I want to break here. So I should have 2 items. I did put my item at page 1. So with a change. Okay, let's test again. Okay, player add item 1. So we have Y and X 0 and page 0. Ah, this is normal, I just did reconnect. Okay. Ah, okay. Okay. My problem here is I want to iterate on page at last. Okay, so 4, 4, 4. I need to move this here and this here. Okay. I'm gonna change music, by the way. So stressful. Okay. Yeah, server loaded. Timeout agency. Plus. Please. Valorant for noobs. What RCPP? Please, timeout. You have some internet problems? Oh, seeing all that code scare me. Yeah, but the fact is, I'm doing the code is you won't have to worry about it when you will play. Okay, first item created. Let's go for the second. So X3 and Y. Oh. Okay, so now this is working. Uh, 0, 1, 2. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, so this part is working. Would be funnier if someone could swim that RTBP. I'm still waiting to get a Valorant key, but still got nothing. I think I'm like 100 hours of watching Valorant stream. And everything is linked, my word account, I did register on Valorant beta. So I don't know. You know there is another method. Which one, Grim? I personally don't regret investing in paid asset. I can't imagine creating a whole system by myself. Wasted too much time on that when I started Unity. Thanks, Chio. The funny thing about this project is I'm learning Unity in the same time. So sometimes I have some struggle, but... Hi Grim, Chaos here. Okay, so... We have inventory free space finding working, we have item creation working, we have item saving working. So now we want to send the item to the player before updating this field. So we need to do owner player, relay message. So we want a new Vim server object update. So we want to create objects equal new list of an item build spawn block. Okay, so now the item should be... Oh, what did I miss? Object update block. Oh, I did it on this side. I did create a player private at world. Okay, here. I need to cast it. Okay, let's do it properly. So we need an alias to this. Equals this. And we're gonna do an alias to object update. Project, update. Okay, good. Okay, so now we're gonna get item creation replicated on client. So we want to test this. What we can also do... I won't do loading for now. Okay. We want to do a slight change here. So I don't need to log the model ID here. What I want to do is to add a log when an item is created. Debug log APC item created, and we want the GUID. Object read row to string x16. So this is just for testing. Okay. Let's see. Dubai, why did you left PristontaleEU? Good question. Will work better with host server. Okay, everything is good here. So player add item 1. Okay, so we got network for application for the item, which is good. Nice. Who said I left? I'm around hiding. Yes, he's hiding. He changes his nickname every weeks or day. We don't remember. This is too hard to follow. Perhaps he's waiting this version. Maybe. It would be fun for mobile game to know how much player is playing on mobile while getting in the toilet. Because I think this is gonna be the main use case. Me. Well, we should make an hidden mom named Free Dubai. It could be a nicer Easter egg. We can do some Easter eggs. But not on Classics map. Maybe a custom dungeon. No reward, but only fun. You have to add the button statue prototype. Yeah. Okay, so we have item replication as a client. We want to implement something, a special method. Where is it? Should have it here. Okay, player private. So this method is gonna be called when a server property is updated. So if index is greater or equal than player private fields, inventory slot a start, and pintex is less or equals to it should be less. Player private field. Update UI forward slot A. Okay, so now we are back to some UI codes. So if we detect a change, we want to update the view. So we did page A, page B, and now we need to do it for quest. Slot quest. Okay, good. At CPP, how many class will be available when the game releases? Everything. So let me list it. Where is it? Character create class, okay. Right, okay, so we have fighter, mechanician, archer, pikeman, Atlanta with... I need to fix this. Knight, magician, priestess, assassin, and shaman. 10. Agency is 10. Maybe shaman and assassin will come later, because they maybe will need a bit more work. But final planning is 10. Let's go back to player private. Okay, we have this, and when we have one of these property change, we are sure that the item is already created because it's the creation is done before updating the property. Always the cooler last marketing, I guess. Okay. Now we want to get back to the scene with interface. UI, character statue. Let's hide statue, we'll just get inventory. Oh, by the way, I need to change this. Copy component and pass component values. Okay, good. I'm gonna do the same for quest. Okay. So we need to start scripting this interface. So we need to go in interface script folder. So we have character statue base. Okay. Okay, so I need to add my fields here. So we need public UI item grid. Gonna put Unity on my second screen to help me a bit. So okay. I'm gonna have to bind all of this. Slot 1, slot 2, chest slot, What else do we have? We have costume. Costume, right hand. Right hand slot 2. We have arms. I'm gonna copy paste a lot. We have arms. We have gloves. Boots. Wings. Amulet. Wing. Wing slot 1. Wing slot 2. We have a shelter. Okay, and then we have slot inventory. Slot page A. Okay. Page A. Page B. And then we have quest page. I'm gonna call it grid. Grid A, grid B. Okay. Okay, and now the boring stuff. Are you using Fortune Run or are you writing your own online system? Everything in the code is custom made, except the path ending. So I did write my own framework, my own game engine, and my own network engine. I'm mostly using Unity for 3D rendering and interface. Boring slot. I just need to fix this name. Okay, good. And now I have to bind everything. Shit. I'm pretty sure that network and graphic will bring a lot of new player. Rework and graphics will bring a lot of new player for the server. Any chance for a migration? A migration is possible, but I don't know if this is a behavior as the things we want. I think we're gonna ask to the community or just open 2 rooms, a new one and a migrated one. I don't know. But everything is possible. So boring stuff here, just have to drag and drop everything. Shit. Where was it? Okay, here. Chest slot. Costume. Right hand. And 2 slots, gloves, boots, wings, amulet. Okay. Wing slot A. Wing slot B. Tom, grid 1, grid 2, and quest. I want to save this because I don't want to redo it. Okay. So this should be working. Okay, so for inventory item, we need shoe ID. World. Where is it? Game.world.entities, yeah. Item. So we want to start the item instance. We don't need the template. And we need the instance of grid item. We don't need this. And for items... Okay. We want to get the template. It's gonna be GDB, item template, public get private set equals null. Item template instance. So we want to make sure that we did real fields. And now we're gonna do a try get value. GDB item template data, try get value. So entry out template. Be right back. Okay. Gonna have to do like this. Okay, so we have an item template now. So let's compile to fix errors. The item instance. It's gonna be game world and take this. Okay. Continue to fix. Pay item that template. I have to cast to int. Okay, so we don't need this. Need items here. It's gonna be pay item. Okay. Okay, so here I need to cast to hint. Item dot template. Items here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, everything is compiling now. So So we want to add a method to refile, rebuild the view with data we get from the server. RCPP. Someone asked the music change. Let's go electro swing. Electro swing. You won't like it. Okay. So we need a new method. Quick vote. We build inventory page. So we want the page index. Then we want a list of items by slot. Oops. So we need int, and we need game, world, contact these items. The items. Okay, good. Okay, time for me to switch. Too much code for me today. Keep the good job on CPB. See you soon. Good night. Good night, Jerry. So we need to import system dot collection dot generic. Good. So now I need to call this. So yeah, private. Okay. So we need to do game root, character statue, rebuild inventory page, build inventory page list. Okay. Okay, let's go just like this. And we need to cast. Okay. So we need slot B now. And we need to create this method. Okay, so this is a public list of int item. And we need a start offset. And we need to import system section generic. Okay. Results equals new, and we want to return it. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna copy paste a bit. Okay. So we want to iterate on this. Where am I doing it? Yeah. We just need to do this. And we need to import object GUID. Wait. Okay. So now we need to get the item. It's gonna be game root, IT manager, find, and we want item type with this UID. So if we manage to grab an item, just need this, and we can do results, add slot X, slot Y, and item. And what does it? Long. No, we want hint. Okay, this is working. This page. We just need the last method, and we're gonna test it. We want to have a clear method. Clear. Fold. So we need to iterate over all of our items.
Must be authorities in their field. They report from first-hand observation, and to hold reader confidence, they must be truthful in the information they give the public, and they must be fair to artists.
Clear all items. Okay, good. So now we are here. No. Here. If no. Destination grid is equal to 0, so it's gonna be grid 1 or grid 2. Destination grid clear. Now we need to iterate over all of our items again. In P items, and we want to do destination grid, place item. So item 3 is the item instance, item 1 is X, item 2 is Y. So what do you guys think? Working on or break it? Alva is working. Maybe you're trusting me a bit too much. We're gonna see. Let's hit play. So we have neighbors, nameplates. Private and update object reference. Okay. Line 66. Okay. No, this is a normal bug. Because the update is did before the world is ready. You just need to do this. Okay, bug fixed. And test time. Clear, add item 1. Oh, working! Not working on the second one. What did I miss? In clear, okay. And this is normal. Yeah, okay. We just need to do a while items count. Okay. Remove at 0. Okay. But it's working. For only for one time. But now it's gonna be working for every time. I hope. What is this thing? Bop. Okay. Okay, test time again. Clear, add items. 1. Okay. First item working. Second one working. Third one working. Fourth working. So I'm gonna add a fifth one, so it should be going to the slot queue. And it's working in slot queue. Nice. So everything is working. So I managed to fill my queue page. It's working. Yes. We're gonna change music again. Agency back and it's working. Dubai Chaos 6. I have a reverse karma thing, don't worry. This is Grim, he's always complaining. And QQ. But it's always finished in a good way, so. So, we have inventory working. And I have all my items here, good. Okay. I want to keep this one. I'm cleaning all tests. Okay. Facepalm, yeah. Let me find something. I'm gonna add something on the stream. Okay, so image. Yes. So this is good, and we want to add a new text. How am I doing a text? Ah, here. New text. Okay, is it good enough? Wim, look at the bottom right corner. You won't do this, Grim. Okay, so slot 1, slot 2 working, but now if we log out and log in again, we will see a small problem. Nothing here, so we need to do items loading. Let's do it in less than 20 minutes. Okay, so player private. We want to add a method load items. From database. Oh, thank you, Dubai. Oh shit, the Grim Sauce thing is on top of alerts. Thank you, Dubai. Grim, if you want to read something great about me, you will have to see with my manager, aka agency. So we want to load items. Okay. Now we just need to load everything. DB items is equals to this. Find the RIM server. Character DB, and we want a new condition where character ID is equal to owner player GUID counter. Okay. And now we just need to insert everything. LDB item in DB items. And we just need to copy this. We just need to... Oh, shit. We want to do this. And we want to do this. Okay, good. Slot Y. Slot X. Inventory page. Yeah, now item should be loaded, but we need to send items public. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Add to world. Create object. Okay. So we need to change a bit the behavior here. We want to do thank you again, Dubai. What the fuck? 2 times. 3 times. 4 times. Oh god. This is too much. You crazy, man. You're so crazy. Ah. You're so crazy. And this won't stop. What the fuck? Oh, you did fail one. You did put 10 instead of... No, you're fine now. You're crazy. So much spam. What the fuck? You're crazy. I think we will have notification for like 5 minutes. Real items creation. I'm not able to focus now. GG. So I'm typing no everything wrong now. You're just perfect. No one is perfect. Oh my god. In M items. Value, weird spawn block. Damn, I wish I could help that too. You have another way to help me is to talk about this project in your surrounding for people who is interested in mobile Priston. So we can do a crazy launch with a ton of players. Okay, so we have to do this. Private that with item creation and update block. Okay, and we need to send it now. And it's still going. What the fuck? Maybe, and I'm really saying maybe it's gonna work, but I'm not really sure. Hello, Lucas.
Merci, de rien. Au revoir, messieurs, dames.
Thanks for the follow. In that code, I believe. Yes, do I? And it did not work. But I think I know why. I think... Oh, I forgot to check the log. I think we have all items, but when we resave everything, the EU part is not finished. So I'm gonna do this. C#, yes, this is C#. So we are remaking our whole game in Unity. So everything is in C# except the past ending. So let's see. I think I did get everything. But at this point, we are too quick. The code is running before everything is loaded. So. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a dirty fix for now. Where is my entity manager? Here. return. Equals new. Okay, let's test it again. Okay, so I was right. So everything is working and was not working at the previous attempt because the network code did get executed before the UI finished to load. So it's the GG. We have inventory loading, replication, item creation, and free slot finding. And this is gonna be the end of the stream for today. I think I'm gonna do drag and drop support off stream because it won't be something fun to look. Because it will be a lot on die and retry. But I have to look about what we are gonna stream next. Maybe when the drag and drop is finished, item equip. Like equipping a weapon, a shield. I think it will be fun. And maybe start to work a bit on item stats. But yeah. So thanks everyone for following. I hope you did enjoy. And thanks again for all the follows, the donation and the bits. It was a great session today. So see you next time.